Come test drive the 2023 Wrangler. Few vehicles are better off-road than a Jeep Wrangler. This is the one that started it all. Traceable to the original Jeep, the Wrangler is the very symbol of off-road capability and is priced below $60,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, fog lights, rollover protection system, cruise control, trip computer, child safety locks, power steering, bucket seats, tilt steering wheel, AM/FM stereo radio. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.